Good morning, students. Good morning. Okay. We have already discussed about what is meant by economics and statistics, its meaning, functions, and importance, and use of statistics in economics. Today, we are going to discuss about the collection of data. Let's go. The what is meant by data? We are going to discuss before collection of data. We are not what is meant by data. Yes, what is meant by data? Simply, data is information. Especially statistics, quantitative information is known as data. So what is the quantitative information? The quantitative information, it means anything which can be measured in numbers, like your height, your weight, your marks, etc. These are known as information, facts. These facts we can easily measure are known as quantitative data. So this quantitative data is very useful in economics. So we need to use statistics. So before collecting the data, we want to know what is meant by primary data and secondary data. The data is divided on the basis of sources, two types. One is primary data, and another is secondary data. The primary data, it means the data is original data which is not existing. We are going to field and collect the data. This type of data is primary data, and the primary field is known as primary source. And the secondary data is already exist. Secondary data is already exist, which is collected for other purpose, and we want to use that particular data. For example, like a census of India already collected data regarding gender, education, literacy, etc. We want to know the literacy rate, or we want to use a literacy rate and compare. Then we go to Census of India website and collect the data from that website. This type of data is known as secondary